In this tutorial I will show you how to increase iPhone touch sensitivity. If you're finding that you have to press and hold your finger for a certain amount of time to use the iPhone touchscreen, increasing the sensitivity could help improve your experience. Here's how you can do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. This section contains all the options that can help make your iPhone more user-friendly. Once inside Accessibility, scroll down to find Touch under the Physical and Motor section. Tap on it to open the touch settings. Now, select Touch Accommodations. Here, you will see various options that affect how your iPhone responds to touch. To increase the sensitivity, make sure to turn off touch accommodations. Specifically, turn off hold duration and ignore repeat by toggling them to the off position. This should make your iPhone much more responsive to touches. If you're still experiencing slower touch responses, consider removing any screen protector you may have on your device, as these can sometimes interfere with touch sensitivity. Once these changes are made, you should notice a significant improvement in how quickly your iPhone responds to your touch. And that's it. You've successfully increased the touch sensitivity on your iPhone. If this guide helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tips.